this video, we're unboxing and installing the drive belt tensioner on this Honda Civic FA1. Tensioner Assembly Showcase. Tools required for drive belt tensioner removal on Honda Civic FA1. 8mm mid-size hex socket. 12mm mid-size deep socket. 17mm large deep socket. Large electric impact wrench. Mid-size ratchet. Large flathead screwdriver. 10mm wrench. 19mm wrench. Wrench cheater bar. Mid-size torque wrench. Large torque wrench. Use a 17mm large deep socket with a telescoping ratchet. Loosen the lug nuts. Lift the vehicle. Use a 17mm large deep socket with an electric impact wrench. Remove the lug nuts. Remove the wheel. Lower the vehicle. Open the hood. Secure the hood support strut. Use a 19mm wrench with a wrench cheater bar. Loosen the drive belt tensioner. Place the 19mm wrench onto the tensioner protrusion. After loosening the tensioner, remove the drive belt. Loosen the tensioner. Remove the wrench. Remove the drive belt. Set the drive belt aside. Use a 10mm wrench and a large flathead screwdriver. Remove the water pump pulley bolts. Use a flathead screwdriver to hold the pulley. Use a 10mm wrench to remove the pulley bolts. Remove the other bolt. After loosening all bolts, remove them. Remove the bolts. Remove the water pump pulley. Use a 12mm mid-size deep socket with a mid-size ratchet. Remove the tensioner mounting bolt from the tensioner assembly. Remove the bolt. Use an 8mm mid-size hex socket with a mid-size ratchet. Remove the tensioner bracket bolt. Remove the bolt. Remove the tensioner. New tensioner versus old. The reason for replacement. The old tensioner failed to spring back, causing damage. Install the new tensioner. Position the new tensioner into place. Align the bolt holes. Hand start the bolt. Align and hand start the other bolt. Use an 8mm mid-size hex socket with a mid-size ratchet. Tighten the tensioner bracket bolt. Use an 8mm mid-size hex socket with a mid-size torque wrench. Torque the tensioner bracket bolt. Torque to 55 Nm or 41 foot-pounds. Use a 12mm mid-size deep socket with a mid-size torque wrench. Tighten the tensioner mounting bolt on the tensioner assembly and torque it. Torque to 24 Nm or 18 foot-pounds. Install the water pump pulley. Align the water pump pulley bolt holes. Hand start the bolts. Use a 10mm wrench and a large flathead screwdriver. Tighten the water pump pulley bolts. Use a flathead screwdriver to hold the pulley. Use a 10mm wrench to tighten. Use a 19mm wrench with a wrench cheater bar. Loosen the tensioner. Place the wrench onto the tensioner protrusion. Route the drive belt correctly. Install the drive belt. Release the tensioner. Lower the hood support strut. Close the hood. Install the wheel. Install the lug nuts. Use a 17mm large deep socket with a large electric impact wrench to tighten the lug nuts. Fully lower the vehicle. Use a 17mm large deep socket with a large torque wrench. Torque the lug nuts. Torque to 150 Newton meters or 111 foot-pounds.